So there were 3 types on the graphing quiz, and these first ones are in slope-intercept form, meaning it's y equals mx plus b, where this is your m, and this is your y-intercept. So when I mark it, this is my y-intercept, and this is my slope. So I'm going to go ahead and record those down here. My slope is -3, and my y-intercept would be 0, -2. Now I'm going to actually graph that. So if I make that a little bit bigger so we can get the -2. So go ahead and put a nice big dot. That's your starting point. Slope is -3, which means you're going to go down 3 and forward 1. Remember, if there's a whole number, that is the same as having a 1 in the denominator. So that would be 1, 2, 3, and forward 1. Again, there's not room to do it again, so I could move the negative with the 1. So I could go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and backwards 1. So there would be my dot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to connect those 3 dots in a nice straight line down. And then I'll put an arrow so I know that it's going in both directions. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the process. So let's look at number 2. Now my slope there is 4, and I have a y-intercept of -5. So again, I'm going to start at -5, and my slope is +4, so I'd be up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward 1. I'm going to repeat that, up 1, 2, 3, 4, and forward 1. So you should see the up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1 as you're counting them. And then connect your dots, and you have it. Again, those lines aren't needed, so if they're bothering you and you did it digitally, you can go ahead and erase them. All right, let's practice 2 more that have a little more traditional fraction for the slope. So again, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to write that the slope is 2/3 and that the y-intercept is 0, -4. And the slope over here is -3/4 and the slope is 3. All right, so let's go ahead and plot the y-intercept. That's where you start on each one. So put a nice big dot at -4. We're going to count up 2, 1, 2, and over 3 and put a dot. Up 2 and over 3 and put a dot. Or if you prefer, down 2 and backwards 3 and get a dot. But what you should see is when you connect all the dots, they should line up perfectly. Again, if those are bothering you, I can erase the stair-step part. All right, let's try the last one of this type. So again, we're going to start at +3, so that would be up here this time. And our slope is -3 over 4, so that would be down 3 over 4. Or it could be up 3 and backwards 4. So we have nice 3 dots there in a row, and I have them connected. Okay, so then again, here is the solutions at the end. So for the practice quiz, slope-intercept form, this is how they would be graphed.